If you can think it, if you have the vision, you can make something of it.
I'm Oluwakemi Oyedele. My expectation from the workshop training is getting to know the theories and practices of building a business as an entrepreneur.
I'm here to gather knowledge and know-hows. I'm here to be mentored. My expectation is to leave here with some tips on how entrepreneurship works.
I'm here to learn more about entrepreneurship and how to start up and get going and not to fall by the wayside on the long run.
Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. That's what SWOT stands for. And it is a mechanism for every organization trying to eventually figure out what should my strategy be? How can I penetrate the market faster?